Find the domain and range of the following relations. So let's begin with the first relation. So here we have relation R containing the ordered pair x plus 1 comma x plus 5. What is x here? So x here is a set containing the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's try to define the relation R. So here R is a set of ordered pair. So if we choose x to be equals to 1, then we have 0 plus 1, so that's going to be simply 1. And for the second element, we have 0 plus 5, so that gives us 5. Fine. Next, if we choose x to be equals to 2, then substituting x with 2 in the ordered pair, we get the 2 plus 1, 1. So we have 1 plus 1, that's going to be 2. 1 plus 5, that's going to be 6. Then we are going to substitute x with 2 in the ordered pair to get 3 comma 7. Then we have 4 comma 8. Then we have 5 comma 9. Then we have 6 comma 10. Right. So this is going to be the ordered pair for the relation R. Our goal will be now to find out the domain of R. What is the domain of R? That's simply the first element of each of the ordered pairs. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So these are going to be the domain of the relation R, and we need the range. So the range of R, the relation R, that's going to be the second element in each of the ordered pairs. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are going to be the range of the relation R. Now coming to the second problem, we have relation R, which is the set of the ordered pairs x comma x cubed. X is a prime number less than 10. So let's first specify the values for x. What could be x? So x could be equals to 2. Then x could be equals to 3. We have 5. We have 7. These are the only 4 possible prime numbers that are less than 10. Okay, so using this we have to form the ordered pair. Now that's a very simple task. So if we choose x to be equals to 2, then we have 2 replaced in place of x in the ordered pair, and the second element, which is x cubed, that will become 2 cubed to give us 8. So we have 2 comma 8, that's our first ordered pair. Next ordered pair will be 3 comma 3 cubed, so that's 27. Next we have 5 comma 5 cubed, that's 125. Next we have 7 comma 7 cubed, so 7 cubed, that's 343. So this is going to be the relation R consisting of these 4 ordered pairs. Now we can define the domain. So domain of R, that's going to be the first element in each of the ordered pairs. So we have 2, 3, 5 and 7. And we have the range of the relation R, that's going to be the second element in each of the ordered pairs. So those are 8, 27, then we have 125 and then 343.